Look. I never thought I'd need a breast pump. I had this idea in my head that breastfeeding would just work. Like the baby comes, we bond, milk flows, end of story. Yeah. That's not what happened. 3 weeks in, my nipples were cracked, I was engorged, and my baby, he was frustrated. Felt like I was failing at the one thing I was supposed to be able to do. One night, around 3 a.m., I sat there holding him, crying while he cried. And my partner just quietly handed me the breast pump we got from the baby shower. I didn't even look at the instructions. I just plugged it in, and prayed it wouldn't hurt. And when that first letdown came through, I actually exhaled. It didn't feel mechanical. It felt like someone finally understood what my body was going through. I sat in the dark living room, blanket over my shoulders, baby finally sleeping beside me. And I pumped. It was the first time I felt like I was doing something right. I started figuring out my own rhythm. Morning pump, after feed pump, freezer stash. I even made this little space by the window, a chair, a water bottle, my pump. That tiny corner became my reset zone. And you know what? I started to feel proud. Not because I was perfect, but because I kept going. So yeah. I didn't think a pump would change my journey. But it kind of saved it. If you're there right now, tired, sore, maybe doubting yourself, I see you. You're not broken. You're becoming. And the pump? It's not a shortcut. It's a tool for your strength.